how to create an account on Twitter or X. In order to create an account on X, you can sign up on a website or through the mobile app. You will need to provide your name, an email address or a phone number, and then your date of birth. So basically, if you're using a mobile device, you have to install the app, head over to your respective app, type in X on the search bar, and install the app to the latest version. Once you're done installing the app, click the open button. This is where the interface might take you. Now, you have to select create an account button at the bottom of the page. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to type in your first name, last name, and then the email address that you wish to associate with. Then type in your date of birth as well and click the OK button. Once done with this procedure, or once done entering the following information, tap the next at the bottom of the page. Now then, it's going to ask you to type in the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So basically, you want to swipe down. Here you have the verification code. Tap the next button. And now you will be asked to create a password. Make sure to go through the criteria underneath as well. After you're done creating a password, click on sign up. And now it's going to ask you to take a profile picture. So you could either go ahead and upload it from your gallery, or maybe you could skip this part as well, or just move on to the next step as well. Then it's going to ask you to select a username. You have a suggestion underneath. You could go ahead and select that as well and tap the next button. Now that it's going to ask you to enable all sort of permissions. So go through it and you've successfully created an Twitter account. So that's the way. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.